Running it comes. Donnie Hale out of Troy, Missouri. Running 12:56 International. Going right on down the line, making a dirt ball. There he comes. Gary Myers out of Troy, Missouri on the 43-20. Gary's got to run it back, look at that shot. Donnie Hale for 245.8. That's it for Gary. Gary. Told me this morning he's plowing corn to this thing yesterday afternoon. They come in there and they just, took the cultivator off of it. He said, Dad, I'm going to the fair. Nick, I think Grandpa pulled the weights off this tractor. How about it, Grandpa? Jason Brandon. Doing a good job, man. Still over there, doing a good job. What do you think of that, Grandpa? Let's get Jason a big hand. Jason Brandon from down here in Boston. Well, Grandpa, you put the weights back on now. There's the next score with a 44-40 John Deere from Martinsburg, 202 feet and 4 inches. Rick Snuckensrider's up with a 44-40 John Deere. Yeah, the little Rick always does a good job, so let's see what he can do. Rick Stuckins. All right, ready to go. Got the green light and the green flag. Rick Stuckins out of Martinsburg.